Portugal, Zweden, Duitsland. 12 journalisten uit verschillende landen joegen haar op voor de workshops. Een belangrijk onderwerp is online journalistiek.
Yeah, I think TV as it is doesn't work for a long time or won't work for a long time. And I think we just have to rethink our strategies to capture audience's attention.
The online is not being done. So, and I felt when I do my programs, I felt the need to get more close to people, to reach younger audience. So I really wanted to learn how to, so I could get back and try to influence the management and the departments.
Tijdens de workshop leren de Europese regionale omroepen met name van elkaar.
It is all kinds of different influences coming from all the different countries of the journalists that come together. So that's really interesting to hear their stories and their responsibilities or their special issues that they have with the topic of TV journalism. And it's like, okay, it's not just me. It's like all of these other stations have the same issue.
It's an experimental place where new things can be discussed and applied and tested. So Circom has this role to try to develop the way we are doing television nowadays.
En de journalisten pakken ook nog wat mee van Friesland.
We went to Erlangen yesterday by the seaside. It was really nice, and yesterday we went to visit the city at the end of the day. I'm in love with this city because, and especially because it's so, we really feel the culture inside it. So for me, I'm really sensitive to that. So I'm loving it.